Hey guys, Tony here. Let's talk about running or jogging after your total knee replacement. So if you would have grabbed me 15, 20 years ago and said you want to get back to running, I would have said absolutely not. Huge no-no. You're going to wear out the parts. You're going to put the replacement at risk. I would have given you 100 reasons why you shouldn't run or jog after your total knee replacement. But then things changed, like they always do. The technology got better, the implants got better, the fixation methods got better. I started talking to other orthopedic surgeons out there. Now, I'm a physical therapist, but when I would interview orthopedic surgeons and we'd talk about jogging after knee replacement, the hard and fast rule, you can never do it again, kind of started to get softer. Surgeons started to say, well, it depends, and a couple new studies had come out. Now, I will link to a study down in the description or in the post of this video, but there is a little bit, not much, of clinical research that's starting to look at who can return to running, who can return to jogging, who can start impact sports like skiing after they've had a total knee replacement. One of the big indicators is, were you a trained runner before? How long have you been running? What is your body type? There are heavier bodies and lighter bodies. I don't know that it's the best choice for somebody 250, 300 pounds to start running after their knee replacement, especially if they weren't a big runner before. But it certainly, if somebody's in the 120 to 175 body weight, they've been a runner their whole life, they love running is part of their identity, they've got their whole community that they've been involved with, that individual probably is a good candidate to go back to the thing that they've always done. From a surgical perspective, now this is a question for your surgeon, but some of the clinical findings in the research would suggest uncemented, non-cemented implants are better for somebody who wants to return to running or other impact sports. Cemented implants are certainly far more popular because as soon as you cement the prosthetic in place, it is solid. It's not going anywhere. But there is some research that would suggest the unfixed, uncemented implant would be a better option for somebody who's going to get back to impact sports. Now, I recently shared an image. It was an AI-generated image that showed the evolution of the recovery process. It showed the person, day one post-op, and then going to the walker, and then going to the cane, and walking and running. And I was surprised that I got a lot of people that told me it is not a good idea to run. You can't run. Don't run. Running is stupid. But don't listen to the negativity that's out there. If you are a runner, if it's in your nature, it's in your DNA, you love running, running gives you that runner's high, running is your community, the people that you spend time with are runners, you can always get back to doing those things you did in the past. I mean, the whole reason for having the knee replacement is to improve your quality of life, and if running is part of that quality of life, there are ways to do it. The best suggestions available right now, supported by clinical research, would be talk to your surgeon. Find a surgeon that you can relate to, that you feel comfortable with, that you can talk to candidly about your interest in returning to running, and then perhaps you will dictate the surgical procedure and the implant that will give you the best chance to do that. Let me know from you guys. Are you a runner? Did you go back to running? What have you done since your total knee replacement surgery that maybe other people think you shouldn't do or can't do or would never do? I want to hear it from you. Let me know in the comments.